Step 1. Draw the margin. Step 2. Draw the head, body, and tail of the whale. Now the children will draw a line from the bottom of the white paper to draw the head and body, go up a little. Step 3. Draw the fins and belly of a whale. Step 4. Draw whale eyes and eyebrows and fountains. We will draw a circle to draw whale eyes, and we will draw a small circle inside that circle. Draw like a pencil to draw eyebrows. Looks how easy the whale drawing is. And draw like a tree to draw a fountain. Step 5. Paint the body of the whale blue. Kids, each of you will paint the whole body of the whale blue. The whale will give a blue color to the tail and fins of the fish. Children should take care that the blue color does not appear on the eyes and eyebrows. The whale's stomach should be kept empty, because the stomach and eyes will give another color. Step 6. Paint the water. Kids, you will use blue to paint the water in the whale drawing. Paint the water in such a way that the whale is swimming in half the water. It's not just water, it's seawater, because whales live in the ocean, so this water is seawater. See how beautiful the whales are swimming in the sea. Step 7. Paint the rainbow, the eyes, and the eyebrows. Kids, you all know the 7 colors of the rainbow. Kids, each of you will see a rainbow in the sky after the rain. Look, kids, very quickly, very easily, we started drawing whales. Kids will use black color to color the whale's eyes and eyebrows.